Hello everyone. Welcome back to Trade Leader Institute. Let us start our post-market analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. So, we will start with Nifty. So, Nifty closed at 0.08% positive and closed at 15,811. 15,811 closing above 15,800. So, with a panic selling today in the morning, Nifty touched 15,607 and recovered so quickly that it recovered 200 points, and it shows that bulls are in power. So on an average, if you observe in daily chart, okay, so 15,000 in yesterday's video also I told 15,750 and upper side it will be 15,850. If it opens above 15,850 it will be in bull mode. So 15,900 also it can touch. So 15,811 maybe it will spend time here before making any move. Otherwise tomorrow it will open gap up and it may reverse from there. Then so bottom side 15, I think that should be the lowest for this week, 15,607 till Thursday, till this week expiry. And coming to our targets, so I had given 4 targets in the morning, so all the 4 had touched and it touched all the 8 targets also. And it recovered so fast that this is clearly a engulfing candle. Today I missed my entire trade, because I was quite busy here. So I missed this rally, complete rally today. So I was waiting here, but this candle was very quick candle, so I did not trace it. So I did not trade today. Actually I missed the trade today. And coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed at 0.28% negative and it closed at 34,950, below 35,000. So below 35,000 Bank Nifty major levels to watch out is 34,800. So anyhow I think it had made the lowest for this week, that is 34,374. I think that should be the lowest for this week. Highest will be here, that is Friday stop. Got it? Friday stop 35,576 or 35,500, you can say 35,500 to 34,300. So it has done its job, making lower and top and bottom levels, and maybe it will range in this for this week expiry. So be careful while trading. Please mark these levels. Don't think that it will go in long ranges and all. So it may trade between these levels. So next upper side next level you can watch out for this 35,800. I think 35,550 is a major level, major resistance for this week. Okay, and we can last time in post market analysis I have showed you keeping this February candle as a reference. So we are here. So upper side will be 35,277. Lower side it will be 34,400. Right? Maybe a little bit here and there. So in this range only it will be closing. I hope you are understanding it. So 35,200 will be a very major support on the upper side. And coming to our targets, we have touched all the four targets today in the short side. Long side it did not cross long stop. So that was the max for today's trade in Bank Nifty. Today was very volatile market. As I told, I missed that trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. I think that's all. That's all. The major point I wanted to tell you is Reliance. So we should always keep an eye on Reliance. So Reliance is a major supporter for Nifty. If Reliance, see, we usually have don't short Reliance. We only book the profit. We don't short Reliance. We only book the profit. See how the first candle was in Reliance. So it will take it the Nifty to wherever level it wants. Because of Adani Group panic selling, we we had a huge fall in Nifty today, but it recovered. I think in Adani Enterprises was all Adani Group stocks were at its lowest circuit today. I hope that's all we have today. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. Like this video and share this video. Press the bell icon. Thank you.